Have you lived where I live? Have you seen what I've seen? Have you been where I've been? Do you know what I mean? Have you dreamed what I dream? Do you know what I need? Can you show the way out? Can you hold me?
I walk the road less traveled on gravel scorched by the sun. Came a long way from staring down the barrel of a gun. The beaten path I travel on is parallel to none. Don't compare me to the positive rappers cause I ain't dumb. New York, big city of schemes and $30 ethics trying to broke $1 million dreams. Fools tripping, there they go, throwing up they sets again. Heard in California blacks is fighting against the Mexicans. Hip hop's dead, that's why Christ is resurrecting it. They said it's not influential, but I never accepted it. Lavoisier the MC, rebel to America. Ayo mega global military in your area. I'm a terror to rap, so call me the rap terrorist. The only difference is that flesh and blood ain't what I wrestle with. I got weaponry for sale, to use it log on to ayomegaglobalmilitary.com. If you live where I live, then you will see what I seen. But you ain't been where I've been, so you don't know what I mean. Cause if you knew what I know, then you would dream what I dream. But if you want a way out, then I can help you get free.
Another day, another dollar. Any beef, here's my number, you can holler. You know, have you seen what I see yet? What I mean, it's the fiends on the project steps. Around her, everybody's stick locked up. There's no love, I even saw Cupid get shot up. And life got harder, and God was changing my